Hi everyone, Mrs. Thompson here. Today I'm going to be walking you through drawing this cute seal. First up, please write your name on the back of your paper and give me a thumbs up when you have it. Let's go ahead and turn our paper to landscape. And we're going to begin our artwork by making a bumpy line near the middle of our paper, but just a little bit lower than the middle. So starting at one side of the paper, let's make a bumpy line. It doesn't have too many bumps from one side of the paper to the other. Underneath that line, let's practice our lines that look like waves in the water. So these are called scalloped lines. They look like a curve and a point. Curve, point. Curve, point, curve, point, curve, point. All the way across. And you could, if you have room, add a little bit more of a bumpy line underneath that. Now this is the water that is closest to us. The next thing we're going to draw is our cute little seal. And we only see our seal's head. To represent a seal's head, we can use almost a full circle, but we're going to leave some of the circle out. So I'm going to start here on the water. I'm going to start by making it look like I'm going to make a circle, curve around like a circle, and hit the water. When I hit the water, I stop. So this is the shape of my seal's head. For the details in your seal, let's add two eyes. Now these eyes are on either side of the seal's body. They are pretty far apart. It looks a little bit weird right now, but let's keep going. Right about here, I'm going to put a nose. The nose is going to be about the same shape as the eyes. Under the nose, you can make two little curved lines for the mouth. Some dots on the cheeks. And this is for our whiskers. I'm going to have 3 whiskers on each side. There's our little seal. Now we have to keep working in the background of our art. The next thing I need to do is put a straight line above my seal. This is called the horizon line. The horizon line is going to separate the sky from the water. So let's put a straight line across our paper from one side of the paper to the other. Now, seals usually live in water where it's pretty cold, so you could have icebergs in yours, you could have mountains. It's really up to you what you want to call these. But I'm going to make a couple bumpy lines on top of the horizon line. And you could make your mountains differently if you'd like to. So I have some bumpy lines that could be either mountains or icebergs or whatever you want to call them. And I want to add a setting or a rising sun, again being represented as a circle, or you could do a moon. And this one, I did a sun. So maybe I'll do a moon now. So maybe the seal is in the nighttime. And I think I'm going to do a crescent moon. To start a crescent moon, I start with the letter C. And then I'm going to basically just draw another letter C inside of the C until I have something that looks like a moon. And to show that this is water, we can add some bumpy lines. This helps shows movement in our artwork. And there you have it, a cute little seal in the water. Here's how I colored mine. I usually like to do a sunset sky, especially if I have a lot of water, because I don't want blue water and blue sky. I feel like that'd be a lot of blue. So that's why this one is a sunset. In this one, maybe I would have blue water and even a purple sky to represent a night sky, I think would be beautiful. All right, guys, thank you so much for creating with me. Have a wonderful day.